Hello everyone, this is just a short tour of my outdoor porch that I did before it be changed over to the fall. So this is the wreath that I did, a DIY. I will leave a link below for that. And then I just showed you how I replant my plants. These, what I really like to do is have a running vine plant running down. I might get some Goldilocks and stick in there, or the sweet potato vine, but I didn't pick any up, so I just put these in there for now. These are the Ventus, and the one on each side. I finally got some plants put in it and got them hung on the wall. You see, my husband, he put a nail in there because remember I was telling you in one of the videos that I brought him in that I had to find some brick hooks. Well, each brick hook that came was delivered that I ordered online, all of them was too small. So the bricks it wouldn't fit on the brick. So he just found some nails in the garage and he put those in for me because he knew I really wanted them so much. And this down here that I fell in love with, I think on the container garden, I showed this container, and at that time this container was brown that I had purchased for $7, I believe it was, from Aldi, and I spray painted it navy, and I just love the way it came out. It looks so beautiful, so rich. It came out so pretty. That navy blue is, I'm gonna leave a link below which one I use, but it is so pretty. And the plant in it, I forgot the name of the plant, but this plant is the same plant that on the video, on the container garden video, I'll leave a link below on that one. It's the same plant. It just has grown so much. Really need to put some sticks in there or something to hold it up. But you see how I had put the rocks in this one too. This one I told you about how pretty I like the way the rocks came out in that. And this plant is really growing. It just constantly blooms, and I just love the container. I hope Aldi come back with some more next summer. I would definitely jump on this one. It came out gorgeous. And over here I just have a small, that pineapple lantern that I hauled in one of my hauls. I'm not sure which one that one was, but pineapple lantern. I just put some little flowers on it and just tied the bow around it. And I believe in the same haul, I hauled this from Kirkland's, the Blessed. And this is where I got the beige, pink, and navy blue from. This was my inspiration right here with the Blessed is in beige. The background of the rug is in navy blue with the pink flowers. And so that, I tell you guys, my camera, I'll be so glad when I get a new camera. It just keep cutting off. And this is on the other side. I just have this sitting on the plant stool right here. And it's just a navy blue lantern with one of the light LED lights inside of it. And I just put that same ribbon, burlap ribbon with the polka dots. I put that on top, and I just put just one of the box with balls from Hobby Lobby on that. And this is this side, and then over here we got that side over here. So I just gonna give you a last look. This is the left side, and then we have the door wreath. And then my beautiful Blessed rug that I just love. And I don't know what kind I'm getting for the fall. And then on this side, I have that one side. And I'm going to get some more signs, especially for the fall from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to get some more signs to put over here on the wall too. But I just love this lantern. And it goes so nice with the blue. And I just fell in love with this pineapple lantern. So I will be decorating for the fall for this. I wasn't using till last year. Start decorating for the fall. And I don't know if you're able to see it all as I move out, but this is the full look and it came out really, really nice. I just love how it looked, and next year I'll just add on, and for the fall I'll be doing something too. So this is how it looks. This is my front porch. Hope you like it. If you do like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not already done so, please hit that subscribe button and join the Deals with Lady P family. I would love to have you. I thank everyone for watching. I love you all, and I wish blessings upon each and every one of you. Be blessed, everyone, to be a blessing. Bye-bye. I will see you all on the next video.